Hello everybody. This is the 8th part of the basic computer programming course in C++. The topic we will be studying today is arrays, and we will be covering a particular type of arrays which are character arrays. We will also study strings, and this is actually a very easy lab. So let's get started. We will be using two libraries which you can see here. One for the character arrays and the other for string. So the library here, CString, this one is used for char arrays. And the other library, string, is actually used for strings. So first of all, let's see what is a character array. We have studied arrays before, and we know that array is the collection of variables, collection of different elements. Actually, the collection of a particular type of elements. So what is a character array? It's simple. Character array is the collection of characters. So we are going to put together several characters and we will call that a character array. So whenever you want to learn any data type, we focus on two things. Focus on the learning of two things. Declaration of that data type and initialization. So let's see how do you declare a character array. So here you can see it. You have to write the data type char, and then you have to write the name of that array, which we have written here as ARR1. And the third thing is you have to write the size in square brackets. This is how you declare it. Now, if you want to declare and initialize it at the same time, this is how you do it. What do? You put curly braces at the start and the end. And then between the single quotes, you write that element. So when you want to write more than one element, you use this single quotation marks and then comma and then the next element. So this is the first element, this is the second element, this is the third, and this one is the fourth element. And if you want to look at it index wise, this is the 0th index, this is the first index, this is the second, and this one is the third index. Just like we learned previously in arrays, in integer arrays and integer arrays. Okay, so another way to declare and initialize a character array is this, the second one here. So you can see you have declared it in the same way, but while initialization, you have not used, what you have not used? Curly braces. So without using curly braces, we can just write double quotation marks and then simply write all the characters that you want to save in it. So that's actually more easy. There is one more thing that you have to make sure of, that your character array always end with this. What is this? This is a null character. \0 is a null character. You have to make sure that all of your character arrays end with this, and you have to keep space for this as well. Moving on, how do you take user input? Okay, so you have declared an array and initialized it here, but if you want to fill something in that array from user, alright, at runtime, what do? You use this function cin.getLine. Now it has two parameters. First parameter, which you can see here, is the name of your array, which is in our case ARR1. The second parameter, 10, is the size of the bytes that you want to read, that you want to put in that character array. This is actually the size of the array.